As the fifth scheme under Prime Minister's package, our government will launch a comprehensive scheme for providing internship opportunities in 500 top companies to 1 crore youth in 5 years.
1 करोड़ युवाओं को 500 टॉप कंपनीज में इंटर्नशिप कराने के लिए सरकार योजना बना रही है।
They will gain exposure for 12 months to real life business environment, varied professions and employment
एक साल के लिए इंटर्नशिप होगी
and internship allowance of 5,000 per month, 5,000
और
rupees
हर महीने 5,000 रुपए का इंटर्नशिप अलाउंस दिया जाएगा।
of 6,000 rupees will be provided.
इसके साथ एक बार 6,000 रुपए का और
training cost
मदद पहुंचाई जाएगी इन युवाओं को।
internship cost from their CSR funds.
कंपनीज अपने CSR फंड से 10% इसके लिए अलग से एलोकेट करेंगी इंटर्नशिप स्कीम के लिए।
Plug and play industrial parks with complete infrastructure in or near 100 cities in partnership with the states and private sector by better using town planning schemes. 12 industrial parks under the National Industrial Corridor Development Program.
12 इंडस्ट्रियल पार्क्स और बनाए जाएंगे। 12 और इंडस्ट्रियल पार्क्स को सैंक्शन किया जाएगा जिसमें राज्य सरकार और केंद्र सरकार का सहयोग होगा।
वेजी मेरे नो स्विच बैठिए।
Rental housing with dormitory type accommodation for industrial workers will be, just 1 minute. Rental housing, I repeat, rental housing with dormitory type accommodation
लोगों के रहने के लिए कोशिश की जाएगी कि इस तरह के PPP मोड में
support and commitment from
डॉर्मेटरी स्टाइल में
shipping industry
जो अलग-अलग इंडस्ट्रीज में काम करते हैं, रोजगार
will be implemented
जहां मिलता है वहीं पर उनके रहने का प्रावधान किया जाएगा। इसको सैंक्शन किया जाएगा।
generate more employment. Critical mineral mission. We will set up a critical mineral mission.
हम एक critical mineral mission set up करेंगे
of critical minerals and overseas acquisition of critical mineral assets. Its mandate will include technology development, skilled workforce, extended producer responsibility framework and a suitable financing mechanism.
और देश ही नहीं, देश के बाहर भी
offshore mining of minerals. Our government will launch
मिनरल
auction of the first
एक्विजिशन के लिए यानी उसको हासिल करने के लिए
for mining
काम किया जाएगा।
building on the exploration already carried out. Digital public infrastructure applications. Turning to the services sector, I propose development of DPI applications at population scale for productivity gains, business opportunities, and innovation by the private sector. These are planned in the areas of credit, e-commerce, education, health,
credit,
law
e-commerce,
and justice, logistics,
शिक्षा,
MSME service delivery, and urban governance. Integrated technology platform
इन क्षेत्रों में सरकार
ecosystem. An
खास
integrated
योगदान देगी।
technology platform will be set up for improving the outcomes under the Insolvency Bankruptcy Code for achieving consistency, transparency, timely processing and better oversight for all stakeholders. Voluntary closure of LLPs. The services of the Center for Processing Accelerated Corporate Exit, CPACE, will be extended for voluntary closure of LLPs to reduce the closure times. National Company Law Tribunals. The IBC has resolved more than 1,000 companies, resulting in direct recovery of 3.3 lakh crore to creditors. 3.3 lakh crore rupees.
3.3 लाख करोड़
In addition,
हासिल किया गया है
1,000 cases
नेशनल कंपनी ट्राइब्यूनल के जरिए।
10 lakh crore rupees have been disposed of even prior to admission. Appropriate changes to the IBC, reforms and strengthening of the tribunal and appellate tribunals will be initiated to speed up insolvency resolution. Additional tribunals will be established. Out of those,
Tribunal
some will be notified
को और ज़्यादा ताकत दी जाएगी
exclusively under the company.
और इसके अलावा एडिशनल ट्राइब्यूनल्स भी स्थापित किए जाएंगे ताकि जल्द से जल्द
Steps for reforming and strengthening debt
इंसॉल्वेंसी के मामलों को सुलझाया जा
will be
सके।
taken. Additional tribunals will be established to speed up recovery. Priority 5, urban development. Cities as growth hubs. Working with states, our government will facilitate development of cities as growth hubs. This will be achieved through economic and transit planning and orderly development
हमारी
of
सरकार
urban areas, utilizing
शहरों के विकास पर काम करेगी, उन्हें ग्रोथ हब यानी विकास के केंद्र के तौर पर विकसित करेगी राज्य सरकारों के साथ मिलकर।
development of existing cities with a transformative impact. Our government will formulate a framework for enabling policies, market-based mechanisms and regulation.